Kain po tayo. Mga idol. Gulay lang, ang palaya with egg. May konting sabaw.
So much guts with leadership, with the rookie.
That's a major responsibility. Imagine the pressure on her. Everybody calling her super rookie. You come in, you're a captain or a very young team.
But you see how she carries herself.
Mamaya, kain din tayo ulit. Gulay lang to eh.
Oh, Arroyo! Almost there. Will be up. But today, unable to play around with a certain wall.
Miscommunication there.
Defensive block brought to you by AIA. We can help you with AIA.
Would you want to thought that Tsushima was going to...
Masarap kasi mainit pa. Tsaka hindi mapait.
On this side, she gets
Kain tayo mga guys. Mga idol.
Usman. Second touch. Left touch by Dustin. Touch on Anderson.
Mga lods, kain tayo.
Compared to the last 2 years, they really look like better in terms of their conditioning, their fitness. So it looks like she's flipping and shaping up. Tsunoshima also got some muscle. Liam Guzman, over the years we've seen her since high school, has really come in for form. Minor is looking really good. So everybody improving individually, even from a physical aspect to which you know is also very important in your sport.
You definitely have to give credit also to their strength and conditioning program.
What a serve by Dottie. Adamson with a better start here in set 3.
Adamson looking good.
Guys, ito lang mamayang kakainin natin. Ang palaya na may itlog. Dami yan. Yan o. Sarap yan. Pag ako nagluto, syempre masarap. May konting sabaw. Ayan lang, gulay lang. Walang kanin. Walang kanin-kanin mamaya. Lahat gulay lang kakainin natin. Ang palaya. Mas mapait. Yan. Ayan. Ito na. Masarap yan. Binunot ko na yan. Ang palaya lang la. Ha?